In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2020 MCQs, that is, let A be a real matrix with the row form and orthonormal set, then A is solution, that is theorem. Let A be a real matrix, then the following are equivalent. A is orthogonal, B the rows of A form an orthogonal set, C the column of A form an orthonormal set. So B and C correct, that is orthogonal and column of A form an orthonormal set. So option D, both B and C correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.